What is hair in Korean? One of the simplest terms for hair in Korean is mori. Again, it's mori. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is mo, and the second syllable is ri. Pronounce it with me. Mori. Mori. How do we write mori in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. First, we need to draw a miyam character followed by an a character. And then for the second syllable, ri, we need to draw first a real character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these two syllables to form the hangul of the word mori. And with that, you already know what is hair in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Korean words.